Welcome to another edition of the Manila Museum of American Art's Free Family Funday. This month, we will be inspired by American Impressionists of the early 1900s to create a mixed media composition of tissue paper flowers and pastel landscape. We will also be applying symbolism to our choices of color and type of flower. Flowers have carried deep meanings and hidden messages for humanity since at least the 1600s in Turkey. The study of these meanings, or florography, was popularized in 1800s Victorian England, where gifting the florals were a part of strict social etiquette. The type and number of flowers hold significant meanings. A single rose can mean love at first sight, but a dozen roses could translate to be mine. The water lilies Monet frequently painted often reference purity or innocence. Rittman's garden features flowers that are not quite identifiable, but whose yellow colors can evoke joy and happiness. Impressionists, inspired by the popularity of Monet, were eager to capture quick moments before they were gone. Their paintings featured everyday events like tending to a garden on a gray day or even washing dishes in natural light. Usually, the figures were models, friends, or socialites using symbols like private gardens, lush fabrics, and imported Japanese housewares to show off their wealth, status, and sophistication. Now, let's get creating. First, decide on what flower you would like to create. You can research your favorites or use examples on the printable instructions. Next, choose 4 colors of tissue paper that you would like to use for your flowers. Stack those on top of one another and fold into 1-inch rectangles, alternating backward and forward folds to create an accordion shape. Next, fold the tissue paper in half. At this middle point, you will staple and attach your green pipe cleaner stem. Now, use the scissors to cut the ends of your paper into shapes like waves, curves, or angles for your flower petals. Then, gently pull back each layer of tissue paper, your petals, until your flower is formed. Next, use the pastel paper and oil pastels to draw a background. Think about what kind of location your flowers are in. You can be inspired by the lavish gardens or rich indoor scenes Impressionists created. Then glue the flowers to your work. We invite you to visit manilamuseum.org/freefamilyfunday to view digital instructions for this project, as well as view and participate in previous projects. With the Guardian's permission, we would also love to see your work. Just share it with us on social media using the hashtag ManilaMuseum.